getting out your food processor, you're going to want to put in some already roasted almonds, and then you are going to blend that for about 3 to 4 minutes until it starts to become a little more smooth and fine. And I'm warning you right now, this process is going to be much longer than you anticipated. So while that's going on, you can get out your soaked dates and your cocoa or cacao powder you're going to use. And then you're just going to add that to the little mixture we've got going on here. And then here's the fun part. We get to blend again for about 15 minutes. And so I'll show you what it begins to look like. So then here, it's kind of like the inside of a peanut butter cup if you've made those before. It's going to be a little bit more thick. Not a lot of oils are coming out, so you're going to want to keep blending that. As you can see here in this one, it's looking more shiny, so there's more oils being drawn out of the crushed nuts. And so just blend it a little bit longer, and then you're going to have definitely a more smooth, creamy nut butter texture that we all love.